You have no idea what you're doing.
Do you?
No? It's my first time. Take it off. Let's start all over again. What's happening here?
Ruining some steak.
Wait, so it is working? You're supposed to have done this like 1,000 times.
Gas barbecue. Change my mind.
Back on. But why isn't it sizzling?
It is. Listen closer. Turn the sound up. Yeah, disaster. Fire coming up, is it?
There's moss on the grill.
Nutrients.
Are we gonna die?
Protein.
Protein?
Barbecue bugs. Yeah, we are. Looks alright. Should I turn it or not yet?
No. Sizzle. Turn it. Oh. Look at the peppercorns.
Look at the green lines.
The moss.
Do you say moss from the green or moth? Like that one down there is a moth.
Moss.
Oh, well, that's another nutrient altogether. That's vegetables. Vegan. You made it.
Barbecue sauce to save the day
Hopefully.
and make the neighbors jealous.
Do you like caprese salad?
Well, it was a potato salad.
Caprese.
What is that? Leafy?
Mozzarella.
No.
Tomato.
The only thing that goes with barbecue is potato salad.
Oh, we don't have time for that.
So, well, bake a bread.
Huh?
Bake a bread.
Off toast.
Yes, let's do off toast.
That's the rubbish. Like the chef. The salty juice.
You.
Taking off?
Mozzarella.
We need more, right? We need to try it to really like before I waste another one.
I like mozzarella, but don't make more than that.
I have another bowl downstairs. The people who actually know how to cook are going to go off at my lackluster ability. Nigella. You know. Finish!
You can put it in the fridge now?
We're going to eat it.
Oh.
What do you think's food? Which one do you want? Front or back?
Doesn't matter.
Alright, maybe it needs to go back on. Looks cooked.
Robbery popcorn.
Hot.
I'll leave mine a bit long. You're not gonna share any of this?
Huh? No. I just need someone to help with the barbecue.